the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So today we're going to add fractions with unlike denominators. Here it says solve the following: 3/4 plus 2/7, 4/5 plus 1/3, 6/8 plus 3/4, 7/9 plus 2/3. Now let's do it my way and then we'll do it Zahra's way, okay? So my way is multiplying these two in a butterfly way. So 4 times 2 is 8, 7 times 3 is 21. So we add these two together, we get 29, and then we take the LCM of 4 and 7, which is 28. And our answer will be 128. That is our answer right there. And then now we'll do it Zahra's way, which is she finds the LCM first. Isn't that right, Zahra?
Yep. And I put 4 and 7 for the denominator. I mean, 5 and 3 for the denominators.
5 and 3, and
then you eventually get 15 for the denominator.
3, 6,
9, 12,
15. So the LCM.
You find the least common multiple.
So the LCM is going to be 15.
Let's see.
Yeah. So 15.
And then that's the denominator.
So we put it like 15.
And then
and 15. So it's 4 times 3, right? So
that's
it's 12.
And
plus 5, right?
5. And then I do plus.
Yeah.
And then that's going to be
17 over 5, right? 15. So that's 1 and 2, 15.
Let's check our answer with his way.
Let's check the answer. So it's 5 and 12. Add those. We get 17 over 15. That's correct. Okay. And our answer is 215. Okay, now let's do the rest with my way. 9 times 2 is
18.
7 times 3 is
21.
Add those together and we get
39.
So 39 over, what is the LCM of 9 times 18? Okay. 18, and we simplify this. 18 plus 18 is
36.
This will go 2 times. So 2 and 3 18s, also known as 1/6. And our answer is 2 and 6. Let's use a different color. Okay, now 8 times 3 is
24.
24.
Oh, both of them are
6 times 4 is also 24.
48.
We get 48 over
32. That goes
I think it's 8. It goes into 8 as well.
Oh, yeah.
48 divided by 8 is 6, right? So our answer is going to be 6. And we're done.
Thank you
for
bye.
watching.